Welcome to Ephraim, Wisconsin. Today finds me at the Edgewater Resort, which is right up in beautiful Door County. As we come in, let's just take a quick sweep of the place. Oh, this looks so nice. So the first thing that we see, it's a kitchenette. And you can see that there is a microwave, coffee maker, a sink. Down below, we have a refrigerator. And I don't know if there's anything in the drawers. Oh, sure enough. That looks great. And I assume we have, no, well, there's a toaster up there. Okay. I thought maybe we'd have some plates in there. Over on this side. All right. So there we go. It looks like there's service for 4. As we continue on, it looks like this could be an adjoining room. And isn't this cool? The table has these stools that must slide out. Yeah, let's do that. And so it has 2 stools. This is so charming. They even have a guest journal, and we might even look at this a little later. I think this is where people can leave their experiences and their stories. Oh, wow, that's really cool. And then they have a book here about Ephraim stories, and they have a charging station. And as we move through the room, we'll step outside in a minute. But there's 2 very comfortable looking chairs, a few lamps, and a wonderful king-size bed. Isn't that nice? Over here, there's something you don't always see. They have a laundry hamper. And ta-da! A whirlpool tub. So you see there's a large well-lit mirror and towel rack with towels. And this looks to be about, I don't know, a 4 or 5 foot wide sink and counter. And more towels here. And a really nice shower. Just a walk-in shower. And it looks like it has a shower head with some kind of adjustment on it. Pretty standard. Looks very nice. And let's see what this is. I assume it's a closet. But yes, so this must be, oh man, there's probably some nice blankets and something in there. An ironing board. And 2, 4, 6, our traditional 8. That looks like there's 9 hangers here. But that looks like it might be a big quilt or something. It really looks nice and full when you see what's in there. On this side of the room, right next to that table, we have a beautiful fireplace. So warm and cozy. And a nice painting above the mantle. And then we have a chest of drawers here. That's really nice as well. But let's check outside. Now remember, it is very early spring, but we have the view that looks right out over Green Bay. Oh, it's frozen over right now. That looks gorgeous, doesn't it? And you can see they have some of the docks. Yeah, we're not going to be watching any boats or ships this trip. It really looks beautiful. And I don't imagine we're going to be in the pool either. But if you ever come by, it looks like it's a nice pool area. Thanks for joining me. As always, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on the Average Me channel.